Hey guys, Dino55 here. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you guys how to place UVs, UV cuts, and make textures. This is going to be a pretty quick video, like very quick. So, say this is your model. The best way to place UV cuts, which you're going to go into your edit mode. For me, I like doing the mid lines. Then you hit U for unwrap, and then hit mark seam. Now you want to do that again. U, mark seam, then one more time down the middle. U, mark seam. So let's say, let's just make this model a bit like how I would normally do. So say this is like a Five Nights at Freddy's shell model, like how I normally make. And this is outer side, this is the inner side. So you're gonna want to mark down the middle, down the side, and down the hard edges, which, you know, you just need one side of the hard edges. Then let's just add another subdivision, make it look a little nicer like that. So as you can see, that is how you make that little bit. Let me just up the subdivisions just a little bit, just to give some areas for texture. But that's kind of how I mark out my stuff for seams. Now, what you want to do next is make a new material. Change your base color into an image texture, plus new. Change the color to whatever color you want it to be. Let's say we're making Foxy. It'll be red. Now once you go into this area, it'll look like that. You can shade it smooth. Look at that. Now go into your UV editing, and I'll just show you guys how all of that looks. Hit unwrap it. It'll give you all of these segments, and once you get to texture painting, you want to paint on the model, and the best way to do it is go to this texture tab right here, add a new texture, and then the setting I like to use for the withered models and stuff is clouds. I did say that in the last video I made, so we're just gonna go with that. Now you want to grab the same texture as the one you're working with and just paint with whatever strength you want. I'm gonna turn it down a bit so it gives that good like texture like that, and you just paint on the model like this with some of the higher what's it called? Higher vertices in a model. It's going to take longer to process and actually paint, but as long as you get it all painted and make it look pretty nice, give it some extra flares in some areas, make the texture like a little darker. You can add some messy spots, maybe turn the strength down on that. Get some more messy spots, darker spots like that. And then let's just look at our model's textures. So when you get into your layout, you have all of this. Now for actually making it pop and look like it's textured, go ahead and go into your shading map area, pull this over, add a bump, a little bump map, put it into here, or copy this, paste it. Shoot, did I paste it? I'm not sure. Let's look. Perfect. Now you have two. Put that color node into normal. Make it also go into the normal of that. Oh wait, not the normal. The normal. Height. There you go. So once you plug it into that height, you can then change the strength to be lower and the distance higher, whatever you want to make, to give that model texture. It's not actually going to give you texture on your actual model, but it will give it to you for your rendering. when you go back into layout, you can now see it's textured and has bumps and all of that kind of thing. And that's kind of just how you do it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was very quick, and I know I haven't been posting much, but I will be better about posting on Fridays and Saturdays. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.